Hi everyone, it's Christina from the DIYmommy.com, and today I want to share with you 5 organization ideas for your home. I'm not a natural organizer. I need solutions that are quick, easy, and extremely visual. So if you are like me and like quick and easy organization ideas, I hope you enjoy these 5 tips.
Tip number 1, use shelves with baskets instead of chests of drawers to organize kids' clothes. I find it makes putting things away easier for kids because they can reach them and see everything so much better. We love these baskets in the shelves in little A's room around her window for her clothing and her toys. They're functional and I think they look great too. Tip number 2 is use picture ledges as storage for kids' art, toys, and books. It looks cute and it's easy to take things on and off for kids. I've used IKEA picture ledges for years in my own home and in my friends' homes too, and I think they're so versatile. Of course, you can use them for actual pictures, which is a great way to move artwork around, but I also love using them for toys and books as well. Tip number 3, add a DIY pegboard wall system above your home office desk to keep things up and off your surfaces. We DIY'd this pegboard a few years ago and this art display above my IKEA desk, and it helps keep all of my craft supplies organized so that I have room for my editing computer. Tip number 4 is use clear storage containers in your pantry to easily see what you have on hand. I recently did a thorough pantry purge and organization and it felt so good, and I added these clear IKEA 365 plus bins to our pantry to hold all of my large bulk food items like flour, sugar, and cereals. They fit perfectly in our cabinets and I can see exactly what I have on hand. And my last tip, tip number 5, is add DIY labels to your pantry containers to help keep the whole family organized and putting food items back in their places. I've added some printed paper labels to these baskets in our pantry, which I absolutely love, and I made some vinyl labels with my cutting machine for the rest of our bins and our recycled jars. I love the look and it helps me and my whole family keep our pantry tidy at home.
Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope that you can use these simple organization hacks.